paycheck, running back. What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so as you see by the title, you know what type of video I am doing today, and I'm doing another Aliexpress synthetic wig review slash install. So if you want to see how I did this hair, it is synthetic. It is like a loose wave, loose curl. It looks really nice. It lays really flat. I didn't even have to like use my little heat things to make it flat or anything. It just laid like this. Super cute. So if you're interested in that, definitely stay tuned. If you don't know who I am, my name is McKinley Brooke. I make fashion vlogs, hair, beauty, that type of content. So if you're interested in that type of content, definitely just head on over to my channel, click that subscribe button, click that like button, and turn on the bell notifications. I will have the link to this wig down below. Like I did said, it is from Aliexpress. I don't remember how much it was, but it'll probably be in the title and on the screen. So definitely check this out. I know it was definitely affordable, and this wig is really nice. I really do like it. It has very little tangles. It has a couple tangles in the front because I've been messing with the front, of course, to do like the hairline and everything, but I really do enjoy this wig. It's not too long. As you can see, it comes like right here. Really love it. So cute. So if you want to see how I got this wig, how I did this wig, stay tuned. Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love, and it's still love, it's still love, still love, still love, it's still love and still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. Don't wait. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and it's still love, and it's still love, it's still love, still love, still love, it's still love, and it's still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. I don't eat, sleep past 9 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel young again. We don't just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Alright, lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other type of videos you would like to see from me. And yeah, y'all, like I said, the links for this wig is down in the description box, so please check there. And if you have any questions, don't forget to comment. I always respond to my comments. So yeah, y'all, so I'll see you lovelies in the next video. Bye.